Hello guys, good evening. Today I am working on ML56 development board. You can see here we have a new maker ML56 board. So and all connected is a LCD and one touch key. You can see here. So I am working on a touch, how to calibrate and how to use the touch. So we have a ML51 BSP sample code. Under the sample code you can see here ML51 example code. You can open this code. I have already opened. You can see here and how to calibrate the touch key. So first you can see here we have two projects here, but for the calibration we need to select here calibration, TK calibration, and after selecting you can compile the code and load the code. Code is compiling, you can see here. You can see here error 0 and 1 is 0. After compilation you can download the code from this button. So we need to connect the hardware. I have connected and download again. Code is downloading. Flash is okay. After TK calibration code is done, we have a software for calibration. So you can see here the TK utility. Under TK utility, this is the tool for calibration. So you can see here the tool and connect with UART. You can see here scan port. We have a scan COM6. After this you can connect. These are the parameters, and this is the debounce entry time. Means when you press the switch and release the switch time, release the switch, release the touch. And you can see here we have a on this board touch key 1. You can see here. So you can see in details like touch key 0 is connected as a touch key, and touch TK7 as a reference, and TK6 as a shield. So we need to select same TK0 type key, TK7 used as a reference, and TK6 used as a shield. After selecting 3 parameters, then you can write. After write, then select here calibration. After calibration you can see here the noise immunity low, medium, high. So we have selected here no, and start the calibration. Click on this button and you can see here how to calibrate. We have pressed the finger on the touch key. After this you can see here the message, just touch key, then okay, then release, then again start. We need to do same 3 times. And one more, start, touch, then okay. So we have a 3 parameters. After you can select this parameter, you can write calibration pass parameter, okay, and load from hardware. These are the parameters comes from the hardware which we have. This is the calibration value. After this you can export. After export, and you can see here one file is generated, tkdata.c. the time is 4:13, and you can see here the time 4:14. So how to use this calibration file in project, I will explain in next video. Thank you for watching.